Maksudnya biar muter aja, bisa gosok aja.
I want you to look for your partner. Because I want you to do it in pairs. Karena coba tadi pasangannya dulu.
Oke. Ini bawa cat lama.
Coba in pairs pasangan. And please stand up next to your table. Jadi di samping bedanya pasangan. You tahu ice breaking ini menjauh, mendekat, tangkap. Menjauh, mendekat, tangkap. Nanti salah satu di antara kalian ada yang tangannya tinggi. Salah satu kan jadi semuanya. Jadi boleh nanti siapa menentukan siapa yang mau tinggi. Dan satu yang lainnya tangannya di sini. Nanti kalau Miss Dila gives you instructions to menjauh, berarti tangan kalian harus menjauh. Kalau mendekat, mendekat. Kalau tangkap, berarti ini. Dan salah satunya ini nggak boleh sampai tertangkap. Kalau tertangkap gini, you have to come forward and you have to tell us about your experience. Okay? Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Do you get it? Any question? No. Okay. So, are you ready? Menjauh, tangkap. Oke, siapa yang menangkap? Yang menangkap? Coba baju ke sini. Yang menangkap baju sini. Lektor yang tadi udah gini, sekarang jadi ini. Oke, menjauh, mendekat, menjauh, 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 mendekat, menjauh, mendekat, tangkap. Menjauh, 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 mendekat. Menjauh, mendekat, tangkap. Berarti kalau ngomongin tentang pengalaman tuh kira-kira apa prinsip apa? Siapa yang duluan? Tasya. Oke. One day went to the mall and someone. Okay, you met someone. Okay. Okay, so you went to the mall and you met someone and she, right? Okay, and she said that you were pretty at the time. And what was your reaction then? Okay, oh, are you sure? Okay, you sure. Now, what about Faiha? Kenapa? Faiha apa? To your friends. Your birthday. Okay, you went to the mall with your friends and okay, the friend is you. Okay. Okay, you were Shakira. The same person. The same person said that you are. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, give applause to Sasha and Faiha. Okay then. Well, before we start our today's lesson, Miss wanna ask you to mention what was the last material that you have learned. What did you learn with our last video?
Passive voice.
Passive voice, and what else? Before text. Okay, passive voice, before text. Anything else? Present continuous. Of comparison, degrees. Of comparison, degree, right? And then, what else? So what is report text then? What is report text? Teks laporan, report laporan. So, what is it about? Kira-kira ngomongin tentang apa sih kalau report text itu? Is it something that factual or something imaginative? Okay, factual. So, if we talk about something factual, what kind of things that happen? Kalau ngomongin tentang fakta berarti pakai apa? Apakah masih pakai past simple? Kayak kalian misalkan I'm a student. Nah, berarti itu apa? Berarti itu fakta. Simple present tense. Good. And now, what we gonna learn today is still related with what your two friends already did here. We're gonna talk about experience. Kita akan ngomongin tentang experience, pengalaman. Nah, berarti kalau ngomongin tentang pengalaman, it's something that happened in the past, right? Ini ngomongin tentang sesuatu yang sudah atau belum terjadi? Oke, sudah terjadi. Berarti we have to use the second form of verb, right? Dua dari kata kerja. And yeah, here we're gonna learn about three common tasks and it will be presented by Miss Hanifah. We still have around 1 minute. Berarti nanti dilanjut habis istirahat. Okay, then before we Apa sih konteks itu? Ada yang tahu recount text? membahas teks record, dan teks record itu tentang cerita masalah jadi kita menggunakan kata kerja apa? Past tense. Oh berapa? Action verb itu apa? Kata kerja. Contohnya? Swimming. And then? Writing. And then using connection of statement atau kata penghubung. Contoh dari kata penghubung apa aja? Kayak first, then, second, after that, fourth, and then, last. Example of connected of coba identify which was orientation and then event and reorientation. Coba kalian identifikasi mana yang bagian orientasi, mana yang event, dan mana yang bagian reorientation. Yang mana? A sampai? Oke. Kenapa kok termasuk dari orientation? Karena memuat mana tadi? Ya, karena itu ada dijelaskan subjeknya, kemudian kapan, gimana, dan apa yang dilakukan. Berarti yang mana?
It was so much fun. I wasn't sleepy at all.
Dia mengatakan bahwa biasanya itu sangat menyenangkan dan itu merupakan kesimpulan dari cerita kan? Ada yang mau ditanyakan? Any question? Any question? Ina? Okay. And then the next material is very disciplined. The simple tense in English is used to talk about actions or events that happen in the past and are now finished. Berarti sekarang sudah selesai. Sudah selesai. To form it, we often use two kinds of verbs. Ya kan? We have regular verb and irregular verb. Kalau yang regular itu biasanya tinggal ditambahin apa sih belakangnya? Ed or d and also I, E, D. Ya kan? Ed, D atau IED. Kalau IED itu biasanya belakangnya apa? Apa? Kapan sih kalau verbnya itu ditambahin ed dan kapan verbnya itu ditambahin d dan kapan verbnya itu ditambahin dengan ied? Kapan study? The second form of study itu apa? Betul dari study. Study ya, itu kan pakai ied. Jadi kapan pakai ied itu kapan? Ketika?
Membicarakan masalah.
Iya benar, ketika ada y-nya atau akhiran dari verbnya itu menggunakan y. Study, kecuali ada beberapa exception kayak play, kan bagi kita play it, bagi kita play play. Kapan? Kalau pakai d, kan pakai d doang. Kalau udah ada d, karena kan mungkin udah ada merupakannya namanya e, ya kan? Jadi cukup kita tambahin dengan d, ini kita kasih double e. And we use this tense when we want to describe something that took place at a specific time in the past. Jadi kira-kira kita bisa menggunakan adverb of time nggak sih? Apa? What is adverb of time? Misalkan di kalimat ini, she visited her grandparents last weekend. Which one is the adverb of time? Last weekend. Okay, great. So last weekend itu berarti kata keterangan waktu. Okay, waktu. Berarti we also can add adverb of time. It can be at the beginning or it can be at the end. Jadi boleh di depan, boleh di belakang. Coba sebutin apa kira-kira adverb of time yang bisa kita pakai untuk simple past tense. Selain last weekend, yesterday, tadi malam, last night, then kalau did itu?
Do.
Do. She didn't work yesterday. Boleh kita merayakan word of time-nya. And this is the question for. Kalau question for-nya sama nggak rumusnya? Berarti kalau udah ada did, udah ada did-nya, buka. Oke, coba wait. Kira-kira sini dulu. Did she work yesterday? Berarti kalau udah ada did, tadi kata kerjanya untuk sampai kedua.
Iya. Ditutup.
Now move to. Okay, now move to this one. This is additional insight. Nah, the simple
Apa itu, Kak,
past
pulang?
tense is also used to talk about complete actions or events in the past, even if we don't specify
Gila.
when they occurred. Oke, jadi boleh kasih kita itu nggak menambahkan adverb of time-nya? Nah, this is one example. She visited Paris. Nah, kira-kira di Parisnya kapan? Spesifik waktunya itu perlu disebutkan nggak sih? Okay, now take a look at this one. Did you know that some irregular verbs have the same base form baik itu past tense, past participle. Past participle itu kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Jadi kalau misalkan ada istilah past participle, kalian jangan bingung itu bentuk kata kerja bentuk ketiga. Nah, misalkan di situ ada put. Ada lagi nggak yang lain? Yang bentuknya itu satu, verb 1, verb 2, verb 3 itu sama. Kayak misalkan put di sini. Ada lagi nggak? Now, the next one. Okay, this is the examples of past simple. This is this is the incorrect form and bawahnya is the correct one. See, play soccer yesterday and the correct one. Coba Sasha baca benernya gimana? Yang benar sih Ci? Okay, she played soccer yesterday. And the second one, they go to the park last weekend. Berarti verbnya yang mana? They go to the park last weekend. Okay, go. Jadi bentuk kedua dari go di sini yaitu they went to the park last weekend. And the last one, I eat pizza for dinner. I eat dinner. Now, can you please spot the mistake from this short text? Coba cari kesalahan tulisan dari teks ini apa sih? I give you 5 minutes. I give you 5 minutes to try to think it first, and I will ask you mistake randomly. Coba. Cari kesalahan dari teks ini. Wait, 5 minutes. Coba cari semuanya dulu. Jangan ketemu satu langsung ini. Coba cari dulu.
Hal.
Coba
Gitu loh. Gitu loh.
Okay, let's start with the first sentence. The first sentence. Mungkin ada yang mau jawab? Sama nggak sih dari kata pertama ini? Kayaknya coba dari tadi yang raise hand pertama dulu. Oh iya, oke. Ada yang nemu? Ada yang udah nemu? Oke. Harusnya? Oke, leave. Tambahin apa berarti? Tambahin? Oke, G. Good. Coba dibaca benernya gimana berarti?
Once upon a time, a fairy lived in the enchanted forest.
Okay, great. Thank you. Once upon a time, a fairy lived in the enchanted forest. Now move to the second sentence. Did anyone find the mistake from this sentence? The second sentence? Ada yang tidak? Coba yang perempuan, Sasha, Faida, atau yang lain yang di belakang? Coba yang belakang. Ayo, ada nggak?
Maju, maju, maju.
Ini kalau yang kalimat dua ini udah bener atau pasti salah sih kira-kira? Bener atau salah? Correct or wrong? Wrong? Ayo, gimana? She has wings and fly all around the trees. Bener atau salah? Si, apa salah? Kalimat yang kedua? Benar ya kan? Peri itu pasti punya sayap dan pasti terbang. Nah, she has wings and fly all around the trees. Jadi we do not need to change anything from this sentence. And now move to the third sentence tadi. Ya, mana tadi? Ya, yang mana? Oke, harusnya. Oke, great. Yesterday, jadinya gimana coba dibaca? Yesterday. Okay. Yesterday she met a friendly unicorn. Good. Now, yang paling tadi masa lampau sudah berlangsung tapi kok di masa lampau. Nah, gimana tuh berarti? The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing in the past. Jadi sedang berlangsungnya itu di masa lampau. Or actions happening simultaneously in the past, and it is formed using the past tense of to be. Nah, nanti kita akan pakai base verb lagi, and the present participle or base form plus in of the verb. Pasti kan kalau continuous itu kata kerjanya cirinya itu pasti ada verb. Pas continuous. Kalau continuous sedang berlangsung kayak sekarang tadi. We are studying. Studying-nya tambahin apa? Nah, berarti kalau continuous itu baik itu present ataupun past, itu verb-nya sama-sama ditambahin dengan cuman beda di to be-nya aja. Kalau present continuous berarti pakai is dan are, sedangkan kalau past pakai was were. Now, okay, now this is how to form past continuous sentence. Positive one, the negative one, and questions. Kalau tadi kan ada bentuk verbal nominal, kalau sekarang cuma satu aja pakai when he came home. Berarti ini terjadi dulu. Berarti yang ini kan sedang tidur ketika dia itu datang. He came home. Ini menggunakan simple past. Di sini ada conjunction apa di sini? When. Okay, good. This is the conjunction. Jadi kalau ada conjunction when, ingat-ingat kalau ada conjunction when, setelah when itu nggak pakai past continuous lagi, tapi we have to use simple past. Kecuali kalau while. Misalkan di sini she was sleeping while he was coming home. Gampangnya buat kalian diingat-ingat kalau while itu harus setara. Sama-sama menggunakan past continuous dan juga past. Karena apa? Because they happened at the same time. Karena terjadinya di waktu yang sama. Any question? Any question? No. Okay, great. Now move to the next one. Okay, this is the example of past continuous. Now this is the conjunction while. He was singing a song while he was cooking dinner. Jadi terjadi di waktu yang sama. Kecuali yang ini, they were playing soccer when it started raining. It started raining. It started to rain. Nah, jadi dari kalimat ini mana yang terjadi pertama kali tadi berarti?
Playing soccer.
Oke, playing soccer dan baru turun. Good. Next. Now, the next mistakes. Can you please spot the mistake from this text? And you must be careful. Harus hati-hati tadi. Ada last weekend the bear kalau di sini were sleeping in their cave and the owl is flying silently overhead while the squirrel is climbing the tree and the rabbit is digging a hole in the ground and suddenly it starts. So let's start with the first sentence. Last weekend the bear were sleeping in their cave. Is it correct or wrong? Last weekend. Berarti kalau last weekend harus pakai apa? Pakai apa? Benar nggak kalau di sini the bear were sleeping? Benar atau salah? The bear was last weekend. Last weekend. It must be participle or past continuous. Last weekend. Berarti itu terjadinya kapan dulu deh kalau gitu kalau last weekend. Oke, minggu lalu. Nah, berarti benar nggak kalau pakai past continuous? What do you think? Atau mungkin sekarang? Last weekend. Apa kira-kira last weekend? The bear. Yaudah, coba kita ambil jawaban dari kalian dulu. Kalian tadi jawabnya apa, bus? Ya, oke. Last weekend, the bear was sleeping in their cave. What about the second sentence? The owl is flying silently overhead. Berarti kalau itu benar nggak? Is flying. Is it correct or wrong? Harusnya? Yes. Okay. Coba nanti kita lihat. Then the third sentence, while the squirrel is climbing the tree, the rabbit is digging a hole in the ground. Berarti harusnya the squirrel was climbing the tree and the rabbit was digging a hole in the ground and suddenly it started. Zaman. Last weekend, the bears slept in their cave, and the owl flew silently overhead. And while the squirrel was climbing the tree, jadi there's only one past continuous here. While the squirrel was climbing the tree, the rabbit was digging a hole in the ground, and suddenly it started to rain. Okay. Any questions? Atau masih bingung? The difference between past simple and past continuous. You enggak? Any questions? Last weekend, Zaman. Last weekend, the bears slept in their cave, and the owl flew silently overhead. And while the squirrel was climbing the tree, jadi there's only one past continuous here. While the squirrel was climbing the tree, the rabbit was digging a hole in the ground, and suddenly it started to rain. Okay. Any questions? Atau masih bingung? The difference between past simple and past continuous. You enggak? Any questions? Past simple. Stopping or stop? Tidak, pakai ed. Oke, berarti when we saw, coba dibaca gimana benernya berarti kalau menurut di bus? Di bus. We saw. Okay, we saw the spaceship. Okay, we stopped the car. Okay, let's check it out. Mickey Mouse! We got Mickey Mouse! Ayo, pop music. Was that 30 points? Yes. And
Thank you sa
What about the context? What is it about?